Hello and welcome to this video. In our last video, we explained the functionalities of the MT Gateway Engine Advisory. Today we will focus on how you can interpret the results. Say you've run the automated engine advisory. Once the advisory run is finished, the application produces the results. You are then able to see which engine is an overall best choice for your project. Alternatively, you can open the detailed view in which various linguistic scores are presented to you. The performance of the engines is scored in three different ways: the blur score, the edit distance, and the TER score. The blur score is most often used to quantify the quality of machine translation output. The blur score algorithm compares machine translation output with a reference translation and generates a weighted score. The rule of thumb is, the higher the blur score, the better the output is. Generally speaking, a blur score above 30 reflects an understandable translation. A score over 50 means this is a good, fluent translation. The maximum blur score lies around 80. It is important to note that the blur score is not the percentage of correctly translated text. For example, it would be wrong to assume that a translation with a blur score of 50 corresponds to 50% correctly translated sentences. Let's have a look at the second linguistic score, the edit distance. The lower the edit distance score of a document, the better the machine translation quality. Have a look at this example of edit distance counting. We calculate the edit distance based on the difference between the translation by the MT engine and the translation by a human. 2 character edits are needed to go from one sentence to the other one. Based on this count, the edit distance between the 2 sentences is calculated. Now let's discuss the last score in our table, the TER score. TER stands for translation error rate. The lower the translation error rate, the better the translation quality. The TER score is calculated in a similar way as the edit distance. Let's have a look at the example we discussed previously. To count the TER score, we would have to consider differences on word level, not character level. In this case, only one word level edit is necessary. Hence, the TER score will be calculated for one change, not 2. Thank you for watching this video. Please get in touch with our team if you are interested or would like to have more information.